This week's hot new product comes courtesy of our friends at JBL. I'm pretty sure I know what's inside the box, but just in case, we're gonna get inside this thing and take a look for ourselves.
I love you.
Yes, it is exactly what I thought it was. So this is JBL's Bass Pro Go. And this is the first of its kind, if I'm not mistaken. So, in short, before I get into the technical details, what you're looking at is a in-car subwoofer that you can hook up the same as the subs in your car, but it will detach. So your car, while it's in use, is charging this thing, and you can move it around and take it wherever you want, like a Bluetooth speaker as well. So, right off the bat, this is your mounting plate. So this, let me get it out of the bag here. So this is what your subwoofer and portable speaker will be sitting on, I believe. It's pretty heavy duty, so this is definitely gonna hold your stuff secure. And I think it's as easy as pulling these apart to take it out of your vehicle. More on that shortly. Instructions, always important.
I love you.
So everything in the box is right here in front of us, including the instructions. And this mystery little box I haven't actually gotten into yet. Oh, so these are gonna be your cables, connectors, and all sorts of little bits for setup. They even include a fuse, thanks JBL. So everything you need to install this is right here. Like you would expect from something that detaches as a Bluetooth speaker, it's got your basic controls, your syncing Bluetooth, volume control, and track selection, pause and play, and all that. But like a subwoofer, it's got some controls at the back. You can adjust your gain, you can adjust auto turn on, and there's all sorts of inputs as well. You can plug in USBs and stuff like that. This is honestly a very cool product and definitely the first of its kind. I would love to see it installed, so hopefully we can get it in one of your vehicles as soon as possible. This plate, which you would mount into your car wherever you want your subwoofer, expands with these handles really easily. And you simply put one corner in until it's flush. You'll see those expanding things will line up, holes in the bottom, and just like that, this is secured. Honestly, very cool product, so thank you JBL for getting this in our hands. So from a technical standpoint, aside from this thing being really cool, it's also really impressive on the tech front. It's IPX5 rated, so it's water resistant, so it is good like a camping Bluetooth speaker. An important part of this whole package is the in-car bass control knob. It requires the subwoofer to be mounted in the car, and it's only usable when it is in subwoofer mode, so meaning it's docked in the car, and this is how you can control your bass on the go. You can also adjust input level, low pass crossover in subwoofer mode, gain, bass boost, and woofer phase. Its max power in subwoofer mode is a 200 watt peak. Its amplified power in subwoofer mode is 100 watts RMS. And it also offers USB 2.0 charging and Bluetooth version 4.2, so it's going to be very fast, very easy to use. Additionally, if you have two Bass Pro Go's, you can link them together using JBL Connect. This thing really does it all. So if you are already a JBL fan, there's actually a good chance you've heard of this thing before it existed. Since as early as 2017, they've been talking about this and teasing it, and it took them a while to develop something they were actually ready to release. And this is definitely a finished product. Very much like an old school boombox. Way lightweight.
Drop the bass!